Hi, I'm Gary Nutskin. I'm an attorney with Michigan Consumer Credit Lawyers. In this video, I'd like to discuss the most frequent ways in which student loan debt collectors violate your rights. It's important for you to know this information because every time they violate your rights, you're entitled to monetary damages and a free lawyer. I want to be your free lawyer. I want to help you. We file a large number of these lawsuits against student loan debt collectors, and it never costs our clients a dime. And it won't cost you any money either. Student loan debt collectors are debt collectors just like any other. They're collecting a specialized type of debt, but they're still governed by the Federal Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. That means there are many things they cannot do to you while attempting to collect from you. These include lying to you, making misrepresentations to you, or threatening you with actions they just don't have the right to take, or calling third parties to the debt. Let's talk about the most frequent violations of the law committed by student loan debt collectors. One is they threaten to garnish your wages when they don't have the right to do so. Student loans are generally one of two types. They're either guaranteed by the government in some fashion or they're not. For those loans that are guaranteed, a student loan debt collector doesn't need a judgment in order to garnish your wages. However, they can only garnish up to 15% of your wages, and they can only garnish your wages without a judgment. They cannot seize your car. They cannot seize any bank accounts. They can only garnish up to 15% of your wages. For student loans that are not guaranteed by the government, a student loan debt collector cannot do any of those things without having a judgment against you first. 2. They may threaten to garnish funds that they don't have the right to garnish. For example, if you're on Social Security or SSI, the debt collector has no right to threaten the garnishment of those funds, no matter whether the student loan is guaranteed or not. The funds are protected from garnishment by law. 3. Student loan debt collectors sometimes call pretending to be calling from Sallie Mae, when in fact they're simply representing Sallie Mae. In reality, many student loan debt collectors work for private companies. Under the law, a debt collector must identify himself and his company when he calls you. 4. Student loan debt collectors are notorious for calling friends and family in connection with trying to collect the debt from you. They don't have the right to do that. Under the law, it's generally illegal for a debt collector to contact third parties. When this happens, it's not only embarrassing and humiliating, but it's illegal. Call me, Attorney Gary Nutskin, toll free, at 888-293-2882, or email me at gary@micreditlawyer.com. The call is free, the advice is free. We're here to help you.